by the way, I like Symmetra's new gun sound effect. Alright, bye.
Hey, Xander, go Symmetra. Hey, Xander. Hey, Xander, go Symmetra.
I'm already about to do that, honestly. I didn't feel like going through anything else.
Humanity is disordered.
That is so ugly.
Well, that's my tanks don't realize that I'm here already.
We're here.
Nice shield, by the way.
I can't. Anything I happen, huh?
Hold on, I'm about to get the Symmetra, because she needs to die. Hold on, just give me 1 second and now I can finish you. Oh, he got lucky.
Turret.
Got him! Got him! You the one that told me to play Symmetra. Oh, they're back? Oh, crazy.
No.
That was trash.
Sentry deployed.
No.
Just beating up this hamster.
I'm beating up this Lucio right now. Shut up, bitch. Mercy, come get out of there, Mercy. You know, I hated Symmetra. That's because I didn't know how to use her. I'll admit it.
Symmetra is the best. Low-key, the best DPS. You
implied.
cut off any point.
I don't know about the best, but I definitely agree, like...
You cut off an area point, and that's it. It's like a mini version of
So if you're aware, I'm just
Alright, let's bump this Lucio real quick. Bump.
I'll cross that bridge at full speed.
Boom! Got him!
Oh.
Red got him!
System optimized.
Oh, I missed Riley. Are you serious?
Yeah, bro. Man, that's crazy.
You came to the right place once then. Come here, Mercy. Mercy, come here. Come here, Mercy. Come here, Mercy. Come here, come here.
I can't even reach her.
Come here, so I know you're coming. Oh my god.
Sexy Symmetra playing right there.
Oh my goodness.
Like, do we have an Ashe? It's like we have an Ashe. But do we have an Ashe?
Teleporter online.
Reaper's here!
Oh, he left. They're trying to hook me out of this bitch. No, sir. Whoop. He's one.
Reaper was one. Couldn't finish it.
Stop running from me, ho! Come here,
I didn't know
Mercy.
he was that low.
Come here, McCree.
Leave her alone. You gotta leave me alone.
Oh, he's in the point.
I like how he said,
Yo, so yeah, you gonna stop shooting at my Bob, bro.
Just like crumple.
System optimized.
You suck.
Reaper trying to teleport up top.
how come when I push them, I just idiot to be like,
They're destroying my teleporter, by the way. Oh my god, Ball went to go protect my teleporter. What a nigga. What a man.
What a nigga.
wait, a Riley?
Shield. We just teleporting.
He
off
was
the
one
board.
because of the turret still was one.
Reaper's going to the point. Okay. Whoa. Reaper. Call out, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Yeah, bro, I'm ready for it. Too.
Look at your new and improved TP. Get it for free 99.
To the point, kids, hurry up.
I need everybody to jump with me. Oh.
Yeah.
I was waiting for my tanks because my tanks gotta go with me, but get out of here. Get out of here, Ball. Skedaddle. Skadoodle.
Alright, where's our TP? We're
It's ready. Hold on real quick. I'm making it right now.
Online.
Reaper is. Yep.
Fully fast.
Ashley, come out. Get out that point. Ooh, shit. I'm charging up. Oh my goodness, this Reaper looking at me. No sir, don't look at me. I ain't do nothing to you.
Roadhog was looking at me. I thought we were going oh, I'm trying to get this in. Ooh, girl, you tried. I'll be back.
I am taking this trip. Always going
They thought they had that, huh? They really thought they had.
Use that shield.
Come on, Ball. Stop running away from me. Hold on, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Well, he got stunned.
I'm out. Come here, Reaper. You ain't stealing my mercy. I thought where you was going.
Too late, I already got him.
Hold on, Zenyatta. Hold on now. Hold on, Zenyatta. Don't pull out the 6. Hold on, Henry. Don't pull out the 11s. Hold on, McCree. Look at all these goals. I just feel so heavy right now. Oh, man.
Symmetra is hella fun to play.
Bitch.
Look at that track.
Look at Soldier. I said, wow. I knew he was coming to the point. I said, nah, B.
Yeah, Soldier, I knew you coming.
I knew he was coming.
Lives again, their lives pull us through, and their lives again, and their lives pull us through, and their lives again, and their lives pull us through, and their lives again, and their lives